7-zip doesn't ask me for a password for a zip file I encrypted while double-clicking it. I just tried to encrypt a folder with 7-zip by a command line, choosing a password, but when double-clicking on the zip file, it shows me the files list without asking any password. Is there a way to truly encrypt a folder from the command line?
You can use NewTar to turn the directory into a single file, which you can then compress as a regular file with 7-zip. Anyone viewing the archive will just see the tar file.
You will be prompted for a password when you try to extract the files. To simply view the contents of the archive does not require a password. If you would like to obfuscate the contents of the archive, compress the directory into an archive, and then compress that archive with a password. Thus, you will have to extract the archive with a password to pull out the archived and obfuscated contents.
The zip format doesn't allow for encrypting file lists. This means that file lists are viewable by anyone. Only the contents of the files is encrypted, which means that no one can read the file without your password. Due to this, 7-zip only asks for your password before unzipping. If you need a format that encrypts the file list, use 7z and make sure you check encrypt file names. For the more technical-minded, the zip specification doesn't allow for encryption of the central directory.
I found your answer. Do encrypted compression containers like zip and 7-zip compress or encrypt first. The command line switch to encrypt the headers, i.e. the file names, in 7-zip is e.g. 7's password 123 equals on archive.7z file.txt.
Before switching, please look at the right.